He a black boy, blah da 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 da, blah da 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 da. Shot a boy, shot a boy, shot a boy. There was this boy I knew. He had a vision to rap or play some basketball instead of packing the gap.
They be capping his gap, but he can't feel no pain. Cause he watched his brother die, now he can't think the same. He was walking down the street with a pack of books. Seen some homies on the corner with a pack of cooks.
Thinking in his head, what could he do to get paid? Cause putting money down for loved ones on books ain't cheap. Not only for the educated ones, but the ones that creep. He speak with peace, but never could beat the beast. Cause what's a beast to a bird when he's locked up in the cage?
Waiting for me to go to jail, but I ain't afraid to die living in hell. My role model locked up in a cell. I hit a lick and get some money for his bail. I get that profit, make some money back off that sale.
Sell your soul, but can't sell the role. Be the one behind bars or be the one that told. I said, black boy, black boy. Black boys with black toys, but he can't play outside, cause it ain't safe outside. Cause black boys get to bustin' in the street. You wouldn't see the nut in him till you see them shells laying by his feet. Like the whole block up.
Why that black boy got his Glock up?
Cock back with them hollow tips, now the whole party shot up. Black boy used to be told to shoot at an angle and follow up with them hollow tips. Now his body's so empty, he can't even feel it when his body dips. You can't run from it when you come from it. Unless you got a scholarship, they'll ship you off to the league, then throw your body off board when they done playing you slave to them sports politics.
If you can't swim, then you gon' drown.
In that gutter full of tears, cause somebody's son's 6 feet in the ground. And they try so hard just to be from it. That black boy I used to know didn't even know that he could go and be something. But he is a shotter boy. He shot that boy.
I shot that boy. I shot that boy.
And he looks just like him.
And the police didn't have to do it because I did the dirty work for them.
Pop, pop, pop! Blood in the sheets in the streets. He be popping cherries on them cats. Cause bullets moving faster than they feel. You can't run from it when you come from it. He your black boy. Blah da 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 da. Blah da 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 da. Shot a boy, shot a boy. He shot that boy.